Who's gonna flutter their wings for me, huh? Huh? Who's gonna flutter their wings for me? Come on. This is Sunshine 2, learning to fly. They're working out those wings, but they have moved and made it to the top of the cage. By themselves, they have done this. And sometimes you see those little wings flutter like holy moly. So they're building up their strength. And any day now, this is Sunshine 2. This is Moonshine. Always need a sun and a moon, right? And of course, the happy parents are over here procreating. Well, no, not at the moment, but they are up to it already. Oh my God. Okay, we're not going to talk about that anymore. These ones, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? With this guy here, this white guy, this white dude, yeah, he happens to be white. It just, I don't know. Maybe there's a more politically correct word for it. But he's a white parakeet. He needs to be clipped. Need to clip you, baby, because you was a little hot-wired. Right, Matilda? Yeah, it's like, hell, give me a break. Give me a break. Yes, we love our bookies. We love all our bookies. And the point is, they have gotten up here. Is somebody going to fly for me? If you fall, you'll fly. I know. Yeah, you're working out those wings. Oh, you are primping. Yeah, they're primping. It's a primper. This one's a nibbler. It was a nibbler. You're going to... This is one that's going to fly. This one's going to fly first. Aren't you? This is Matilda. Alright, we'll see. By the end of the day, I'll bet you I catch this one. You will see. Yeah, it's a good bookies. My beautiful bookies. And of course, we do not neglect the green bean and the Sasquatch, but the babies did take some time. Yes, they did, didn't they? It was doing very well back here. That's Sasquatch. And Sasquatch can fly like hula hula. Can't you, Sasquatch? God forbid when you get loose, when you escape this cage, it is pandemonium. And this is Green Bean. Green Bean, look at me. Green Bean, who loved the mama? Who loved the mama? Who loved the mama, huh? It's who loved the mama? Alright, it's primping time. I'm going to be putting some of that little stuff in your for your feathers in there, huh? Because we be primping. We be primping. Alright, you are on the clock. You were supposed to fly in this video, but okay. Nobody ever listens to me. Alright, you primp.